They also cautioned me on my dressing because for them, it is a holy ground and so my shorts was seen as indecent dressing. After reaching a compromise, we proceeded to the waterfall. It was a torturous 40 minutes walk through sand, stones, forests and rivers before we got to the waterfall. A group of religious pilgrims also joined us as they sang, prayed and called of God to heal and answer their prayers through the waterfall. However, on our own part, it was an adventure that's worth the while. The waterfall was a miracle in itself and one can only appreciate the wonders of nature. Our journey back home was less stressful as we were fulfilled as the awesomeness of the waterfall was beyond our expectations. I am sure you will love to visit Awhum waterfall when next you come to Enugu.